Anyhow, it's a new year and it may be time to give your medical cabinet a complete makeover. I know I certainly have to. Anyway, health and wellness expert Dr. Flora Stays joins us this morning to tell us how you can fill up on your cabinet with the best and the healthiest products there. Doctor, good morning.
Good morning, Kenny.
It's actually Nova, but yes, Kenny's with me. There you go.
Hi,
Doc,
Nova.
I hope you had a great weekend, Doctor. Listen, I'm going to jump straight in, okay? All right?
Great.
Tell us a bit more about what you do and how people can change their medicine cabinet pretty much right away in this new year.
My whole focus is to educate the public when they go to the store. Don't just buy the fads or the latest information that supposedly is going to make them look like a movie star or a supermodel from their products. Products are used every single day for the whole family. And what goes on the skin does get absorbed into the body. As you know, there are birth control pills, pain medications, not pills, but birth control patches, pain medications that are patches, introduced into the body through the skin. Well, same with your everyday personal care products, and even your toothpaste and mouthwash that you use can get absorbed into your body and through the bloodstream, even if you have any cuts or bleeding gums or that type of thing.
Wow, that's very interesting. And obviously the difference between dermatologist tested and recommended. What can you tell us a bit more about that?
Absolutely. Just because something says that it's dermatology tested, it doesn't mean that they're recommending it. They may be testing it and getting lots of different conditions bringing up on contact dermatitis, rashes, that type of thing. So just so it says tested doesn't really mean anything. You really want it to be recommended by dermatologists. Then that's the product you want to use. But you still have to be educated on what ingredients in the product might not work for you.
Absolutely. And doctor, listen.
In fact, yeah.
Sorry, I think it's something even I'm very intrigued about this, and I make these mistakes as well. I hold my hands up, yeah? But I think what we're going to do, doctor, because we've got a short period of time, we're going to put all information on our website, okay, so people are aware of this, and we'll put a link up so people can see all this information. Is that okay?
Absolutely, yes.
Fantastic. And for more information, you can go to visitdrstay.com. Thank you so much for joining us, doctor.
Thank you very much for having me.
And there's still a lot to talk about on Loving Living Local.